What's up, you guys? Welcome to another video today. So today's video, we're going to be doing a rotation for the wheels. Now, what do I mean by rotation? So let me get this started and show you guys. So I don't have the best tools. Obviously, I need a better jack stand, better jack, better equipment, obviously, because this is going to be a pain in the ass. So what my garage did, and they really messed up, is that they put the two bad conditioned rims on the right side and the two conditioned rims on the left side. Now this is really unbalancing my car, and it's making my steering wheel shake like crazy when I'm at 50 kilometers or more. So what I'm gonna be doing today, I'm gonna try to figure it out. I have to remove the lug nuts first before jacking up the car. And once I jack up the car, I'm gonna put a jack stand there and jack up the other side, jack stand there. Now the car is gonna be weirdly balanced because I'll have one jack on one corner and another jack on another corner. So I'm not sure how that's gonna play out very well, but we're gonna figure it out. Worst case scenario is that we're gonna put a winter tire literally on, put some lug nuts on, but don't tighten it up, and then do the same thing for that side. It'll be a little bit more complicated, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So let's get this video started, guys, and happy Easter Monday. Let's do it. Well, that was easier than expected. I don't know, today for some reason I got the strength like a motherfucker. Car's jacked up very well. Shout out to my boy who has the 04 Impreza. He told me to put something behind the rear tires, and that worked out really well. I have used shoes that I have, and this is gonna work out good. And while we take a look at this, I wanna check my brakes too, like see what needs to be done and what the conditions are. These brakes are brand new, by the way. Not even a year, not even. Nope. There. Perfect, perfect. All right, check the brakes. Oh my God. All right. Oh, they put balance on it. So why the fuck is my shit feeling like shit? All right, so they did put balance on the tires. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there. We'll take a look at some brakes and stuff like that. So that's how you jack up a car, boys and girls. It will never fail. This can hold up to 2 tons, and my car is like not even 2 tons, so I'm good. So my brakes look perfect. Little pieces of rust here and there, but it's fine, not a big deal. Everything looks good. That's actually my big catalytic converter that I'm probably gonna delete in a few months. And I have to eventually get some zip ties and zip tie this bitch down for sure. You see, my fender liner literally cracked all the way. Damn. How's my axle? My axle looks pretty good. Where's my tie rod at? I'm looking for that tie rod shit. Oh yeah, never mind. Axle's good. Tie rods are fabulous. Obviously, I'm gonna get new suspension for this car. Just not sure when, but these springs here definitely could use a change up for sure. Now, what I'm gonna do is, as a safety precaution, because I'm not sure how it's gonna work out on the other side, I'm gonna put my winter mag on and basically put my lug nuts back on. However, I'm not gonna tighten them. And I'm gonna take this tire for the JDM and put on the other side. That wheel in the corner, I'm gonna switch it back. So definitely gonna be an interesting way of doing it. I just don't want the car to like lean in a different angle, in a weird angle. That way something happens. So this would have been better if I had a freaking lift. I know that there's like jack stands that would jack the car up from there and literally lift up your car like this, straight up. But that's like over $1,400, and yeah, that's not gonna happen. All right, so I tried to do the way I thought it was gonna work out, but unfortunately, I couldn't balance the car right, so we're gonna do it this way. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna be tightening not the lug nuts onto the winter tires, but not too much. And we got the Jdm wheels coming in, and we're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side after this. So it's gonna be really, really interesting. I'm not tightening up the lug nuts too much because I want to take them back off. That way I can install the good rim on this side. So I'm basically just gonna be like doing it like very, very simple and shit. If I could find the right fucking size. What the fuck is this shit? Oh, there we go. Perfect. Again, we're not gonna tighten it up completely because I don't want to have a hard time getting it out again. So this is the only way that I know personally how to do it. We're not gonna tighten it up too much. Just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And the good thing about it, doing this like this now is that I don't have to worry about going into garage and like fixing up my tires and shit. Now I can just do it by myself, literally. Unfortunately, this tool, this metal piece of bar, does not fit any of this. So I'm using the one from the jack and putting it in like this and then just doing that. It's easy, it's simple, and it's doable. Absolutely. And it's awesome. Oh my God, this is a tough one. Whew. So basically, when you hear that crack, it just means that it's been tightened pretty good. It doesn't mean you've broken anything or anything like that. Generally, you're not supposed to be doing that because my friend said something about like you can jam it up or something like that. So when I tighten it up, I'm definitely gonna make sure that we don't have that sound. But I know how tightened my lug nuts are supposed to be, and I don't like when they're that tightened because my friends mentioned to me that I could get jammed up or something like that or whatever. So it's all good though. Oh, that one wasn't even tightened. That wasn't even tightened. That ain't good. Yeah, so basically what's going on right now is that the reason I haven't been uploading much is because of this global pandemic that's been going on, and I have packages that are supposed to be coming and they are delayed. I do have a rally sticker to go on the side of my door, a big one, and since I have enough money in the bank, I ordered the big rally decal to go on my car, and we're gonna keep that until probably like June, July or whatever. We're not gonna be installing any stickers on the car as of right now, because in my experience with installing stickers is not the best. So I'd rather have it done professionally done and everything. One is coming from China Post, which is gonna be delivered by Canada Post, and the other one's gonna be probably by UPS. This one's a tight one. Fucker. Ugh. Whew. That's how you do it. God damn. Whew. All right, so we must take the opportunity and again check the brakes. Rear suspension looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, like doesn't look too bad at all. Where's my axle here? Oh, you got the axle boot right there, good. I think this is what you call the control arm, if I'm not mistaken. I'm out of breath, guys. Whew. My tire rod seems to be doing very, very well. A little rusty, but not that bad. Calipers look pretty damn decent, I'm not gonna lie. Good. Now, when it comes to brakes, guys, the reason I wouldn't do my own brakes is because of this, the brake lines. Now, if I have to change my pads, obviously I'm gonna have my friend direct me on how to do it once this pandemic is over. But when it comes to removing the caliper and stuff, there are ways on how to remove the caliper without basically having to like remove the brake line and stuff like that. People, what they do when they remove the caliper, I've seen it on YouTube, is they put it on here, on this thing right here. So it's a smart idea. Now we're gonna get the bad condition rim onto this side and then remove the winter tire, put the good condition rim in the front. All right, there we go. I don't know why these wheels are so fucking heavy though. Like, Jesus Christ. Heavy as a motherfucker right now. Whew. Oh, look at this, what I found, boys. Woo-hoo. A broken screw that could easily end up into a popped tire. Not good, not good. We don't want that to happen, that's for sure. I don't want that to happen even. Fuck that. I don't have my car on the jack stand. It's just on the stand. It's just on a jack. Fuck. Okay. Make sure these fucking things line up properly, please. Now, boom, just like that, boys. Okay. Now the hard part is gonna have to align it up, like literally align it up. So it's gonna be a bitch. But we got this, though. We got this. All right. So right now, what I'm doing is never tighten up the lug nuts in one shot. I think there's supposed to be a bolt pattern you're supposed to do it. I'm not sure how it works, so I'm just going like around in circles. I've seen mechanics, the way they do it is they go boom, 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 like fucking weird ways, but I'm not fucking doing that. I don't got the time to do that. After this, we're gonna test drive the car and make sure it's balanced and everything. And now we're good. These are 4-season tires, by the way, so I don't plan on keeping these for long. And these Jdm wheels, basically, they are painted by my friend. I didn't want to spend the $750 at Osaka Jdm, not this year, because I have to do my headers, which are far more important than gang wheels. Yeah, we should be good. Yeah, we should be good. Let's go. Whew, this is tiring. Good. Now we're gonna let the car off the jack because we gotta tighten up the lug nuts. So basically, what I'm gonna do is go like this, and then go like this, and put the car down, and then we're good to go. So in my experience when doing this, you cannot tighten the lug nuts unless the car is off the jack. So I'm very, very new to this, so please don't make fun of me. Like, be nice, be kind to one another. I'm very new in doing this shit. It's my first time literally doing this by myself with my own car. So I'm a newbie, I'm an amateur, yes, but you know what? Eventually amateurs and newbies, they do learn, and that's what counts. So now the car is going to be hopefully balanced. So I got both bad rims in the back. Now the good rims here, these babies are going to be going to the front. And hopefully that makes a difference. I gotta wear my mechanic gloves though for this for sure, because I don't want to get my hands dirty because of COVID-19, but everything should be fine. Did they balance this one? No, they did not. Bruh. They didn't balance my wheel. I just realized that, boys. That's fucked. Alright, whatever. So, everything is looking great. Now I gotta put the good one over here. Now, this one is still a little bit rough. Like, you have some edges here and some edges here. But it's not as bad as the two rear ones. The two rear ones are really bad. These tires are 4-season tires, so basically I'm good for another 1 or 2 years with them. So, but I'm not gonna keep them though. These wheels, I'm gonna sell them probably by October, November. I'll probably sell them for maybe $200-300, whatever. And then I'm gonna put back my winters, and then we're gonna get some good Jdm wheels. So that's my plan. Whew. Again, this would have been a whole lot easier if I had better tools, but you know what? This is how a car guy starts, basically. All right, now we're gonna put this back on. once we get this done, basically my car is all set. Now this doesn't have balance on it, so it does concern me a little bit. So we're gonna find out on how we're gonna, hopefully it feels good. I mean, I don't, like, my car is already aligned, so I don't think it needs an alignment, but they told me they did an alignment with balance and installation for the tires. So at this point, I should have zero, I repeat, zero problems with this when it comes to like the vibration and all that. So we're gonna see, we're gonna find out. Definitely. I'll time lapse this for you guys so I don't bore you guys out. All right, and then that's how you do it. Apparently there is like a little pattern around where the like, I forget what the thing is called. So we're just gonna go with the wheel. There is a pattern on how this is supposed to line up with something like that. I'll have to research it and figure it out. Now we're gonna remove this, and like I said, the only way you could twist the wheel and tighten it up is if you take it off the jack stand. That's easy as hell. Any guy knows how to do it. I was gonna go to Jdm Tire, but I'm not too sure. Shit, if they're open. My bad. A little too fast. Boom, there we go. Perfect. I don't know, is it just me or is that this looks a little bit too much out? I don't know if it's just me, but it could be just me. Yeah, could be just me. Let's not trip over anything. All right. Job well done after 1 hour. Damn. Whew. Job well done. Definitely. Car looks good. I'm very happy. Yeah, definitely. Now we have to go upstairs, get my wallet, and then do a test drive around the block. Make sure the steering wheel is stop shaking, hopefully. So, they seem to be holding up just fine with no issues at all. Maybe I could have tightened them a little bit much better, but it's not a big deal. Looking really good, really good. Really, really good. Now, I would do a test run here, but it is a 30 zone, so we're not gonna be stupid because there are people, there could be kids and everything. But yeah, this park is not closed down, which I'm very surprised at, by the way. I'm very surprised. So I might go later on and maybe do some exercise on the bars there. But car handles well and I can't complain. All right, you guys, just got home now. Everything is good. Everything is solid. Good news is that my car feels much more balanced and the shaking of the wheel stopped. So my steering wheel doesn't shake no more. My car doesn't feel off, doesn't feel weird. So I'm very happy about that. And my idea was spectacular, and yeah, it was good. It was good. So again, the reason that there hasn't been much vlogs is because of this global pandemic, that my packages are actually being delayed. So that's the reason why. I do have my headers. I'm supposed to be installing them, but unfortunately, the garage that's supposed to be doing it for me is closed until May 4th or whatever. So hopefully by this summer, we'll be doing headers. And I do have some kind of rally stickers coming in. So maybe we'll get those done. It depends. I'm not too good at installing decals and stuff, so maybe we'll leave those to the professionals. And until then, remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more content to come, hopefully. I do know that for the car events for this summer, they are being pushed back. Wicked Bikini was supposed to be June 12 or 13, and it's actually pushed back till September 13 now, or the 20 something. So the vlogs for the car season might be a little bit different this year, but we'll try and figure it out. And thank you guys very much for your support. I know I'm trying my best to do some stuff for you guys. It's not that easy. So again, thank you for the support. Remember, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.